Performing the inauguration, the Minister of Transport, Senator IDRIS UMAR, said the federal government will work assiduously to reposition the Nigeria Railway Corporation and move the rail sector forward under the transformation agenda of President Goodluck Jonathan. The minister congratulated members of the board of directors on their well-deserved appointment.
On this note, it is my honor and privilege to inaugurate the board as follows. Aleti Kawu Barade, CON, the chairman. Mr. Ehiozuwa J. Agbonayinma, member.
Speaking shortly after the inauguration, a former Inspector General of Police and newly appointed Chairman Police Service Commission, Sir Mike Okiru, described the appointment of Mr. Agbonayinma as well deserved.
I've known EJ for a long time, been a friend, and I know his capabilities. And as a member of this board, he's going to bring his workaholic nature, his uprightness to bear whatever decisions and actions the board is going to take. I have that in my mind that members of the board are going to reap a lot from its experience. They are going to benefit from his intelligence, going to benefit from his knowledge.
Mr. E.J. Agbonayinma and 15 others were inaugurated as members board of directors of Nigeria Railway Corporation. William Siama reporting.